Welcome back to Beautyistic, lovely people. If you've ever struggled with liquid eyeliner that smudges, fades, or just doesn't give you that sharp wing you dreamed of, you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're looking at the Lord & Berry Inkglam Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Black, a product promising 24-hour wear, a patented matte finish, and precision like no other. From the get-go, this eyeliner stands out with its firm, tapered pen tip. It's designed to make both fine lines and bold wings achievable without any wobbles. The formula itself is richly pigmented, boasting deep, intense black with iridescent elements for an extra glamorous pop. It's waterproof, smudge-proof, and claims to dry quickly, which is exactly what busy beauty lovers are looking for in their daily routine. I put this liner to the test across several days, using it during my morning routine, through a long day, and even in a light workout scenario. The application is impressively smooth. The tip glides without dragging, making it easy to create both subtle flicks and dramatic wings. On my eyes, the black came out bold and consistent from the first stroke. It dried almost instantly, and I noticed no smudging throughout the day, even after rubbing lightly or exposure to moisture. The only minor challenge was that the tip can feel slightly firm at first, so a light hand is key for the most delicate lines. What I absolutely love is how the patented matte finish looks polished without feeling heavy. Compared to other liquid liners I've used, Lord & Berry's formula feels modern, intense, and very durable. On the flip side, removing it at the end of the day does require a proper makeup remover. It's not the type to wash off with just water, which is expected for waterproof formulas. In terms of value, it sits in the mid-range pricing for high-quality liquid eyeliners. Considering its 24-hour wear, smudge-proof capabilities, and precision applicator, I'd say it's a solid investment for anyone serious about eyeliner. If you're looking for a slightly cheaper alternative, some drugstore liners can offer good pigmentation and waterproof formulas, but the precision of the tapered tip and the matte finish are hard to match at this level. Build quality is excellent. The pen feels sturdy, and the ink flow is consistent right until the last drop. As a cruelty-free product, it aligns with ethical beauty standards, which is a plus for conscious consumers. I haven't had direct interaction with customer support, but Lord & Berry maintains a strong reputation for assisting with any product queries or issues. Now, if you've been on the hunt for eyeliner that won't budge through a busy day, rainy commute, or night out, Inkglam is definitely one to consider. Its strengths lie in precision, long-lasting wear, and that flawless matte finish that really makes your eyes pop. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried Lord & Berry Inkglam, drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Did it live up to the 24-hour promise for you? The link to grab this eyeliner is in the description box or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.